Hi guys, and welcome back to channel ko. So today we're going to make pancit canton, and these are the ingredients na kailangan natin. So we're going to need some pancit canton noodles, and this was 454 grams. We're going to need some fishball, carrots, onions, garlic, celery, bok choy, 2 cups of stock liquid, and for our seasoning we're going to use salt, pepper, patis, and oyster sauce, as well as some sweet soy sauce. And yeah, let's start cooking. So first we're going to get a hot wok. Gigisayin lang natin ng ating garlic, and then we're going to add in our onions. We're going to saute this for a few minutes. And once ready na yung ating onions, we are going to add in our fishball, and gigisayin lang rin natin to for a few minutes bago natin add yung ating carrots at yung celery. Next, we are going to add in yung ating bok choy, and we're just going to mix this all around. Tapos, isi-season natin siya with a little bit of the patis as well as the soy sauce, and para may lasa lang siya ng onte. So yeah, gigisayin lang natin siya, and we're just going to use a little bit of it. Not all of the seasonings, but just a little bit. So once medyo half cook na ang ating gulay, we're going to set it aside. Parang ganito, kasi we're going to move on and cook our pancit noodles. Sineseparate ko siya kasi ayoko masyado ma-overcook yung gulay natin. Mas gusto ko yung medyo crunchy pa siya ng onte. Kasi may mix rin natin to mamaya sa pancit. So yeah, set aside lang natin siya. And now, moving on sa ating noodles, we are going to add in yung chicken stock natin sa kawali. And then, we are going to add in yung seasoning natin. So, yung remaining seasoning. All the patis, all the oyster sauce, and ABC sauce. And season din natin siya with some salt and pepper. Tapos, ang gagawin natin is we're just going to mix this really well. And medyo, we're just gonna bring it to like a boil. Initin lang natin siya ng onte bago natin add yung ating noodles. Once natimplahan na natin yung ating sauce natin, kasi yan ang papalasa sa ating noodles, we're going to add yung pancit canton noodles natin, tapos mimix lang natin siya slowly. Tapos what I'm doing is, I'm just getting the sauce, tapos parang kinakoat ko lang lahat ng mga noodles para mabasa siya, para mas madali siya maghiwalay, kasi we don't want to break the noodles eh. Ayaw natin yung, ayaw natin siya putulin. So, slowly lang natin siya imimix para lumambot siya at makot siya lahat ng liquid. So, tingin mo ngayon, mukhang onti lang yung tubig natin, but you'll see later on, mag-absorb siya. At sakto lang yung parang 2 cups of liquid dito sa 500 grams ng pancit canton. And once nag-separate na ang ating noodles, pwede na natin add back yung ating gulay. So, as you can see here, na-add ko lang yung gulay natin ulit, and then we're just going to mix this really well. And as nakita nyo, marami pa tayong sauce. So, ina-absorb niya yung noodles natin, yung sauce natin. Kung gusto nyo yung medyo like mas sauce yung pancit canton nyo, yung parang medyo Chinese style, pwede kayo mag-add ng more liquid, tapos lagyan nyo ng onting corn flour. Ako lamang gusto ko yung tuyo, yung pancit canton ko. So, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Tapos, a-absorb ng noodles yung sabaw na yan. And as it dries as well, or as it cools down, mas tuyo yung parang, or like drier yung ating pancit canton. So we're just gonna let that cook, and as you can see here, na-absorb na lahat ng liquid. Yung noodles natin, in-absorb na lahat ng liquid. And we're just gonna let this set aside to cool down. So patay na natin, ready na siya to eat. And this is our pancit canton. Masarap to with calamansi, with pandesal or tinapay. And yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys again next time. Kain tayo! Bye!